What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here to talk about a tool that you should be using in your reseller business. And I know some of you watching this may have already heard of this site or tool, and then some may have not. Now, the name of the site is Veeqo. So this isn't going to be a tutorial, okay? I am going to have a tutorial coming up on this. And I was thinking of two ways I could do it. One was a reaction. The other was to actually another tutorial that was made. It was pretty in depth. However, it doesn't show some of the updates, but I could always just kind of, I don't know, I'm going to figure it out because I don't want to make it super long, but there's a lot that you can do. But the purpose of this video is to show you the benefits of using Veeqo over a pirate ship or even eBay, okay? And now I've been using this. Now, Veeqo is by Amazon, okay? This is an Amazon product. Amazon came up with this, but you don't have to be an Amazon seller to you actually use the product, okay? Now, there are a lot of platforms. Well, not a lot, but there are various platforms that you can hook up to Veeqo. We'll kind of go through that. Again, I don't want to make this a tutorial, and I don't want to go through all the features. What I do want to tell you today is that if you're reselling on eBay, Walmart, Amazon, Shopify, whatever, you need to be using this. There is absolutely, and again, hear me, y'all, there is absolutely positively no reason to use eBay shipping or Amazon shipping or Walmart shipping as opposed to Veeqo, and I'm going to tell you why in a minute. Now, I will say this. I don't ship internationally. When it comes to pirate ship in Veeqo, shipping internationally may be a good, pirate ship might probably be the best platform for that. The only bad thing about pirate ship is it doesn't give you cash back. Veeqo does that in the form of credits. Cash back is the same thing to me, right? Your bill is cheaper. Pirate ship doesn't do that. Pirate ship still has low rates, and for the most part, those rates are about the same from what I've seen in Veeqo. So there's not much difference there. eBay, on the other hand, eBay sometimes gets out on us. So, but look, let me get you guys started, okay? And I'm going to blur stuff out because I do want to show y'all some things. And the reason I didn't want to really make this a tutorial yet is because to show you some of the ways, like some of the savings and things like that, I have to actually show you some of the items, right, being shipped. So what I first want to do is I'm going to go down here. We're going to go to settings. We'll go to marketplace integration. And so, as you can see, I have 3 of my stores hooked up to this, to Veeqo, which is my Amazon, eBay, and Walmart stores. Guys, when I tell you this has saved me so much time on shipping, I'm going to show you why. Number one, because I sell on all 3, I don't have to log in and ship through each platform differently like I was doing in the beginning, okay? That's something that I had to do. And shipping through pirate ship, especially for my Walmart orders, was fast, but nowhere near as fast as Veeqo. And I'm going to show you. So what I'm going to just do here, because the purpose of this video is solely to show you the benefits monetarily of using Veeqo over anything else. And of efficiency, because I know a few of you guys are all about efficiency and saving time and all of that, right? So right here is orders. Okay, so right now I have orders, and these orders are coming from all 3 of the platforms I sell on: eBay, Amazon, and Walmart. Now I'm blurring out stuff because I don't want y'all to see it. But what I do want you to see is this row right here, where you have now also with Veeqo. Here's some of the things that make it much faster: package dimensions and things like that. So when you ship a certain item and you put in the dimensions, it will remember those package dimensions and weights for the next time you ship that same exact item, so you won't have to put it in again. That saves you time. Same thing for shipping, right? It'll automatically bring that up. Now, right here is where I want you to see is this: you will earn 2% in Veeqo, right? Let me show you what the Veeqo credits are. Okay, So Veeqo credits, look at this. So since January 25th, which is when I started using this, I have earned $809.31. Oh, excuse me, y'all. 809.31. So that's $100-something a month, right? Let me see. 134. So about $135 a month I have saved in shipping. That's big. Now I don't know about y'all, especially for those of us who are big on efficiencies, being made better and looking for every nook and cranny where we can save a penny, save a dime, save a dollar. Because if you save a dollar, you make a dollar, right? And so my bottom line has earned $800 year to date using Veeqo, man. I don't know about y'all, man, but that ain't nothing to sniff at, y'all. You know what I mean? But let's go back. All right, let me refresh this. Okay, so right here, the credits is what we just looked at. Now, I won't lie, when I first started, this amount was higher. So that 2-3 cent, that used to be like 8, 7, 8, 9 cent. It was higher. So they did go down, the longer I used it. I will give you that up front. However, Amazon has a deal with UPS. I'm pretty sure they got a pretty sweet deal with them. And so they'll give you back more for using UPS over USPS. And they'll give you back even more for using priority mail over the other options. And I'm going to show you an example of that real quick. Let me see a larger item. Okay, so this item. Now I can tell you this item for sure is going to be probably 2 or 3 pounds. This is a Philips Norelco 7800 rechargeable shaver. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, that might be a 3-pound item when I'm shipping it. And apparently I never shipped this before. I wouldn't have to do this. So let me see. We'll go 11 because I think this is about 11 by 8 by 5, somewhere around there. 3 pounds, okay? Now, here's what I want you to see. So right now, it's giving me USPS Ground Advantage Cubic, okay? Because it starts off with the cheapest. So in this case, this must be going pretty far out. This is going to Alabama. All right, so it's 805, right? It's only 5 cent cash back. Now, if I was to use Ground Saver, which is more expensive, so of course I wouldn't use it in this example, it would give me 11 cent back. But then when you go down to priority mail, if you use priority mail, it's 56 cent priority cubic, 56 cent flat rate envelope, 76 cent. Now I know you're thinking about the price being higher, but that's not necessarily the case. So this example right here, because it's going further out, I'm gonna try to use a different one that's closer to me because I'm on the East Coast. So let's do this. Let's do this New Jersey order. Now this is actually only a 4-ounce item. That already, as you can see, it already has my package dimensions and stuff saved. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change that up because it's New Jersey. I know it's close. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna act like this is the shaver. We're gonna go 3 pounds. Okay. And we're gonna go 11, 7, 5. We're gonna just make up something, okay? Now, as you can see, the one above it is the same exact item. So, of course, it changed that too. But, okay, so now this is better because this is closer to me. So it's going to come up with the UPS Ground Saver option, and it's giving me 7 cent back, okay, a 7 cent credit. Now, you see it's already higher because if I open up this window, and also that was something else I didn't mention, because it's an Amazon product, it shows you right here where it says claims protected, OTDR protected. That tells you that if you use this option, it is protected for you if it's an Amazon order, if there's any claims, so A to Z, and your on-time delivery rate, okay? This isn't always an option. You can pick an option where that's not on there, But if something happens, you won't be protected by Amazon. Sometimes that doesn't pop up on your cheapest option. So sometimes Amazon will have UPS as the option, right? But it won't be the cheapest. But if you pick the cheaper option, which is Ground Advantage, sometimes the protections won't be on there. So make sure you pay attention to that. But now look, Ground Saver, right? Now, Ground Saver, I used to use it, but I started getting problems on Walmart and eBay where they was giving me defects for on-time delivery rate. It was saying my stuff was delivered way too late. And the reason is because of that transition from when UPS has it to USPS. There's things that can happen in between there. Look, it's cheaper, but I stopped using it. eBay wouldn't remove the defect. Definitely Walmart ain't. So even though it's the cheapest option, y'all, I don't use it. You can take a chance if you want, but I'm not dealing with that. So, but look, you get 7 cents back, right? It's $6.05. Now, the UPS ground option though ain't much more, right? It's $6.70. $6.70. Save. And I get 10 cents back. So you actually get a little bit more. Now, let's just say, for instance, because sometimes they will pop up one of the priority options, like an envelope or something, but sometimes they don't. Let me see if I can find it. But you see the difference? Look, the Ground Advantage cubic and stuff is only 4 cents. So that's a big difference. They don't even have any of the priority mail, like envelope options on this. Now they do got priority cubic. If you was to choose that, you would get 44 cents back, or just regular priority mail. But of course you wouldn't, because that's almost $2 more. Okay. I wonder which of these would give me a priority mail option. Let's check this out. Here's one that I wouldn't use, but this is going to California. Okay. And the only way you would use this is if this item was 2 pounds, right? This is going to Cali. So if it was a 2 pound item, they're saying Ground Advantage cubic would cost me $8 and I get a 4 cent credit. However, if I was to use a flat rate envelope at $8.18, I would get a 41 cent credit. See? So for 18 cents more, I could save 41 cents, which means I would make, what's the difference between that? 23 cents, right? So y'all see where I'm going with this? And it's probably going to be like that for any of the flat rate envelope options. If I use a legal flat rate, it would give me 43 cents, and a padded flat rate would get me 45 cents. So it just depends. Now you just got to go with the shipping option that's practical, because you ain't gonna, step over or down to pick up a penny, of course. But a lot of times, depending on what the option is, you're going to pick the one that's going to give you the most cash back. Again, the reason for me making this video for all you resellers out there, I don't even know why you would ship through eBay if you got this option where. Okay, and the speed aspect of it. So once you got all that in there, right? Once you got all that in here, right over here on the right-hand side, it's right here. You just click buy label. Now I'm not going to click it, because then it's going to purchase the label for me. And then once I click buy label, it's just going to automatically generate the label in another screen. And then I just print the label out. You can also go into the settings. It doesn't even have to generate it. I have it to where it generates the label. I don't know why, honestly. But you can go into settings right over here. And I said I wasn't going to try to make this a tutorial, right? If I go into printers and scales, okay? I think this is where it's at. So there was an option for it to automatically, and I think that might be what this direct print is. They didn't have it like this before. There was just an option. You just check the box and it would automatically print the label out of your printer, as opposed to opening up a window first and then you have to print it. But either way, you can set it up to where it just automatically prints straight to your printer and it doesn't have to open up a window. But listen, y'all, when I got like a busy weekend and I got 100 something, 200, maybe close to 300 orders. It used to take me so long to go through PowerShip and copy and paste, copy and paste. And then I'm speaking specifically about Walmart. That's when I did the Walmart orders. Then I would have to go to eBay, print those orders out. Then I would have to go to Amazon, do those. All of them come right through here. Because a lot of the things I've sold before. I don't even have to deal with the dimension thing again. I just double check that I got the right, shipping option selected, because again, ground saver will come up a lot, and I don't use that for my own reasons. And then I just click buy, boom, buy, print, buy, print, buy, print, and just go straight down. And then when I'm done, I can come over here, USPS scan form, and I create my scan form. Okay, and it's as simple as that, guys. Look, again, you have to start using Veeqo if you guys want to make some money back. I don't know why you would ship and not get paid for shipping. You got to think, I am saving, and I just showed y'all, what was it, 100 and something? I can't remember what it was. Like 134, 135, 134, $35 a month coming back to my business's bottom line. That's 100 and something dollars, 130 something dollars that I otherwise would not have if I'm just shipping through eBay, or if I'm just shipping through Walmart, or just shipping. Yeah, I'll get the discount, but they giving me the discount in Veeqo, plus they giving me a little extra on top. It's just it's not rocket science. In addition to that, additionally, it's much more faster, especially since I sell on multiple platforms. It's a much more faster process to print these labels out and to keep going. So look, that's just a quick overview, guys. If you want to sign up for Veeqo and you're not already, use my link below. It is, I don't know if I'll call it an affiliate link, but Veeqo says they will give me 5% credits, but there's like some terms where you got to ship 60 orders. What is it? There's some crazy stuff. It says a qualified referral must create a new account through the unique referral link. Never have had an account. Accept the terms. Ship at least 50 orders through Veeqo in 60 days. Okay. So I don't necessarily get paid, but I'll get some extra credit. So look, if you want to support the channel, support the cause, use my link. It's going to be in the description. Sign up for Veeqo. Start saving some money, man. Again, I will do a tutorial coming up that's going to go a little bit more in depth. I don't use most of the features, but there are a lot of features. It's very robust. But do me a favor, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. And again, use my link below to sign up, y'all. I can save a little bit. You can save a little bit, and we can bring some money back to our bottom line. Look, I'll catch y'all on the next one.